Hello, and welcome to Noraxon's tutorial for Force Vector Overlay. Here we will learn how to use the Force on Video tool, which gives live and recorded feedback on the force exerted to a force plate. First, we will create a configuration with your force plates and cameras. You will need at least one camera for Force Vector Overlay creation. In the feedback options, insert the Force on Video option. You will need one for each force plate if you have more than one. You should see the screen automatically populate with the proper size information. Be sure to check the Show Force checkbox to see it on the cameras. Here, you can also choose the color of the force vector shown. Next, we will enter the measurement window. There are two ways to position the force vector overlay on the force plate. The first method is by choosing the Reposition FVO button at the bottom of the screen before recording. You'll be prompted to click the corners of the force plate to assign the force vector overlay. On the right, you can choose which force plate and camera, if using more than one, you are positioning the force vector overlay for. Once you have selected the configuration you want, choose Define Points. Starting with the origin and moving in the X direction, click each corner of the force plate to place the overlay drawing. Please note that you will need to know where the origin is on the force plate to place the drawings correctly the first time. If you have more than one camera, you will need to repeat the process for each one. Choose Finish when you are done placing the drawings. You can always readjust the locations of the corners after placement. You can also position the drawings onto each force plate by dragging the corners of the drawing to the correct corners of the force plate. To determine how to position it, it may be helpful to have two people, one to step on each corner of the force plate, and one to watch which forces show up on which corner and to position the force vector overlay onto the plate. I hope you enjoyed Noraxon's force vector overlay tutorial. If you have any questions or need more information, please contact support@noraxon.com and a Noraxon representative will be happy to assist you.